Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Today we're going to take covers off already. This cover here is the front cover for this car here. So everything's out now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this one off. It's a special way to take it off and hopefully it doesn't break. So we're going to try to pry it out at the same time, spin it at the same time. Alright, so it's a lot of work, this one here. It's not as easy as you think, but the most important thing is doing the job properly with the special tools. At the same time, the cam timing must be good as well. Cam timing marks should be there. Later on we'll do that later, but for now we're going to do this one here. Alright, now you can see what I mean. See this, that's loose now. That's loose. Let me take this light away. Sorry. Okay, now you know what I mean. So now this is loose. So all you gotta do now is spin it. Spin like this. See this? Look how easy this is. So easy. Spin and come out. So that's the trick. Spin and come out. And the next one, you put a new one in like that. Put it in and then you spin up. That's it. Alright. We got two new ones here. So two old ones out. Chains out. So now we're going to take the chain out and then we'll put this one in. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.